Hey guys, my name is Prakhar Mishra and I'm an Adalo expert. So today I have taken a very huge challenge. I have taken 100 days video challenge. So for the next 100 days, I will be creating one video per day regarding Adalo. Okay, I'll be creating tutorials, tips and tricks. Okay, so I need content, guys. So whatever you have in mind, you want any kind of video regarding Adalo, just put it down in the comment section below and I will try to make video on that. So today is the first day of this challenge and today we'll be talking about notification badges. Okay, so first let's understand what are notification badges. So notification badges are those red dots over that notification icon, okay, which tell you basically that there is a new notification in the notification screen. So let me just log in. Okay, let me just put the password. So this is the home screen. Okay, it's blank. Okay, there's nothing here, but as you can see on the top, there's the red dot, the notification badge on the notification icon. When I click on that, I can see the notification, and when I come back, the notification is gone. Okay, so now let us see how do we create this. So this is how my Adalo dashboard looks like. So as you can see, I have 7 total screens: a sign up, login, a splash screen. The app identifies whether it's an admin or a normal user. If it's an admin, he goes to home admin, and if it's a normal user, he will go to home. Okay, the admin can create notifications, as you can see. So there's a form of notification, and the user can only see the notification. So this list is a list of notifications. Okay, so this is the simple app that I've created to make you understand how to create notification badges. So let's start creating the notification badges. So the first step is to drag and drop the circle component on the home screen. So I'm locating the circle component. Yeah, it's here. So it's actually called ellipse, but we are going to use circle. So let us just go to edit styles, and I will keep the size as 10 by 10, and I will keep the color as red right here. Okay, so now this looks exactly like the badge of notification we see in our apps. I'll just place it over this notification icon. Okay, just let me adjust it. Yep, that looks good. So now, as you can see, I have placed it there. Okay, but there are a few more things that we need to do. The first thing is that now it is on the top bar component. Okay, so now if I look at the app, we won't see this circle at all. Okay, so to make this circle visible, we need to first select it and go to edit styles, and in the fixed section area here we need to select top. Okay, so we fixed this component at the top of the screen with the top navigation bar. Now this will be visible. Now the next step is to put a condition so that this circle, this red circle, is only visible when there are new notifications. Okay, so for that we'll first add a new property in the database. So let's go to database, and there under the users collection I'll add a new number property which I will call last visit notification count. So basically this property, we'll use it to store the number of notifications, the count of notification the last time we visited the notification screen. Okay, so after this we'll go to the notification screen. We'll select the screen, okay, and add a screen action. So whenever the user goes to the notification screen, this action will happen. So here we'll add another action, and what we'll do, we'll update the logged in user, okay, and here we'll just go to last visit notification count, and here we'll use the magic number button and we'll add it as the notification count. Okay, let's click on done. So now whenever the user visits the notification screen, his notification count will be equal to the current notification count. So let's say there are total 5 notifications till now, okay, and I as an admin added one more notification, so the total notification count becomes 6, okay, but as a user I haven't yet gone to the notification screen, so the notification count which is registered in my collection is 5, okay. So now I can simply put a visibility condition to this circle badge, this red badge, that my count should be less than total notification count. Okay, so then only this circle will be visible. Or we could also put the opposite condition, that the total notification count should be greater than user's notification count or user's last visit notification count. So it's simple as that. Okay, so let's just go to change visibility, and here we'll select sometimes visible. Will be visible if notifications count is greater than logged in user last visit notification count. Okay. Also, one more thing you have to do is go to the sign up screen, okay, and when the user signs up here, you have to add a automatic field. So let's go to fields, and here we'll add an automatic field called last visit notification count and set this field to 0. So yes, now we are done with creating the notification badge functionality into our app. So let's check it out. So I have already added a new notification. So as you can see, we can see the red dot here. Alright, so when I click on this, I can see the notification, and then when I go back again, the red dot is gone. So this is how you can create notification badges for your app also. So did you like this video? If yes, please consider subscribing this channel, because for the next 100 days, it is going to be crazy. I'm going to cover many tips and tricks and tutorials in these next 100 days. So till next time, cheers.